In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on your Wix website. So let's dive right in. If you haven't already, open up your browser, navigate to the Wix website, and log into your account. Make sure you go to the specific website you're working on. This is really crucial because you want to make these changes to the correct site, right? Once you're in the Wix editor for your site, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Pages and Menu panel. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of all the pages currently on your website. This is where the magic happens. You're going to organize your pages in a way that makes your website neat and user-friendly. Now, what you want to do is decide which pages you want to appear in your drop-down menu. Got those pages in mind? Great! Start by clicking on the page title and, while holding down your mouse button, drag it onto the main menu page that you want it to be grouped under. By doing this, you're essentially tucking it under a main menu item, making it a subpage. It's like nesting pages within pages. Keep dragging each desired page beneath the main one until you have all the pages you want in your drop-down. You'll notice a slight indentation. This indicates that the page is now a sub-item in your menu. This hierarchy helps organize your content more efficiently and keeps your main menu clean and uncluttered. Once you've got your menu set up the way you like, you'll want to check out your handiwork. Click on Preview, which is conveniently located at the top of your editor. This function will allow you to see exactly how your visitors will experience the site. There's no rush here. It might take a moment for everything to load, depending on the complexity of your site and your internet speed. Take a look at how smoothly the drop-down works. Try interacting with it like a site visitor would, just to ensure everything's in perfect working order. Don't worry if it's not quite right on the first try. Sometimes it takes a bit of tweaking to get it just so. Once you're satisfied with how your drop-down menu looks and feels, you can return to the editor by clicking on Back to Editor or publish your changes if you're ready for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Wix website. This small change can have a big impact on the navigation and overall user experience of your site. So go ahead and try it for yourself. Compartmentalizing your website's content like this not only makes it look professional, but also enhances usability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.